Let's come to oral communication now. Ask the students to role play the dialogue. It's at page 7 and SLO is number 8. Umar, Assalamu alaikum. Ali, Wa alaikum assalam. Umar, what's your opinion about the science exhibition in our school? Ali, it was great. I got much knowledge about different things. Umar, yes, a science exhibition should be full of knowledge. Ali, did you see the tiny robots? Umar, yes, they were so interesting. It was good to see how they work. Ali, I liked the lights which can be turned on and off by sounds. Umar, exactly, they were great. Those lights got too much attention of the people there. Ali, that's all for now. I have to go for a work. Umar, okay, Allah Hafiz.